So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to use image upscaler here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up, go to the left hand side of your screen, go to the bottom and press on apps. Once apps are opened up, scroll down to where it says popular right here. And the third option for me is image upscaler. Simply just press on that. Now, once you're here, what you can actually do is select an image that's in your design or choose a file. So I'll just go back here, press on elements. I'll go to search elements right here. I'll press on photos and I'll just find a photo, for example. What's a good example of maybe these people? What's a good example? I'll use this photo right here of what appears to be, I don't know, this person holding a bag. I'll go back to image upscaler right here. You can press on the image. You can make this increased resolution. So if you want to make it 4 times the resolution, you can go ahead and press on that. Press on upscale. And it's going to go ahead and upscale my image. Now, this works a little bit better if you have a lower quality image, for instance. So if you take a photo maybe from the internet or you upload a blurry photo, whatever the case may be, the image upscaler can do a better job at actually making the quality a little bit more enhanced or a little bit better. So it takes a couple seconds here, obviously, as you're making the photo quality a little bit better. But it's almost done for me, which you'll see the before and after right here. So it's almost done. Just bear with me for a second. I'm just going to go ahead and keep going right here because I might as well just show you guys what this does. If it takes too long, I'll actually just pause the video. I'll cut it and then I'll resume once it is good to go. But it seems that it's almost done right here, which it actually is now here. So you can tell the before and after doesn't look too different. But you might as well go ahead and replace it just to make it a little bit more different because why not? We upscaled this image, even though it didn't really have to, in my personal opinion. So that's the new photo right there. Whether you know the difference or not, that's up to you guys. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. That's how you guys can use image upscaler here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.